Yeah guys, nanonood ako ng nag-YouTube tapos he tells us kung paano kumita sa YouTube, pinakita ko ng sweldo. Pero hindi ko actually pinanood yung mismong video. Pumunta ako sa comment section and dahil ilang months rin ako nag-YouTube, marami akong comments na nababasa yung sub to sub tayo, sub back po tayo. It means that subscribe ka sa akin, subscribe ako sa'yo. But for me, it's a way that will not really help you grow. Because if mag-subscribe sa'yo isang tao, it should be because gusto niya yung content mo. It should be because he likes your story, not because sinabi mo na mag-subscribe sa kanya. So in the end, hindi talaga siya magiging one of your viewers because he was not there for the story and the work that you want to put in. Pero nandun siya because you told him to be there. And for me, if mapupuno ka ng ganong subscribers, you will not really end up having the kind of amount of views that you want to have. Pero, hindi yun yung point ko. Ang point ko is, most of the time, people do something kasi may nakita sila na nauna sa kanila na naging maganda yung, for example, naging maganda yung buhay or naging maganda yung career niya dun sa bagay na yun. And we tend to believe na kapag ginawa din natin yun, magkakaroon din tayo ng magandang career dun sa bagay na yun. And with that kind of thinking, sa totoo lang, ginagawa natin yun because of the money. Not because of the work, not because of the journey, not because of the love that we have. Ito na lang this is for everything, hindi lang sa YouTube. The love for YouTube, the love for vlogging. Pero we are actually chasing the money. If we are trying to do that in our lives, for me, we will never get the success that we want. We may get a little, of course, ginagawa mo yun, you still have reasons why we do it, pero it will never be compared to the results that you can really get if may kasamang pagmamahal dun sa ginagawa mo. If talagang gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. But if you're just doing it because nakita mo yung ibang tao, yung successful sila doon, tapos kumikita sila ng ganito, and you do it also because gusto mo rin kumita ng ganon, but you don't really love that something na gagawin mo para kumita ka. For me, hindi ka tatagal. It's just something na parang, I don't know, it's not for you. Find what you really love to do in your life, then put all of your effort there, and then it will grow slowly and you will have to be really patient with it. So that's gonna be my advice. If talagang gusto mo mag-vlog, it's because gusto mo mag-vlog, not because of the money that you will get from vlogging. And for anything that you will do in your life, guys, make sure that you love what you do.
Sabi kasi sa akin ng coach, kung dito ka, hindi sa'yo magpo-focus yung yung team. Kasi syempre, may D-League, Philoil, kung magre-residency daw ako ulit. Ayun. Sabi ko, sige coach, balik na lang ako. Pagkatas ng D-League. Kailan start niya, coach?
Monday tayo start. Monday?
Sige coach. Tuwing umaga, tapos gabi sa
gabi dito sa atin.
Sige, coach.
Okay?
Sige.
Sige, update mo ako.
Monday. Okay, coach. Sabi kita kung anong balita sa Sabado.
Sige, Jo.
Okay, coach. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ano bibiling ko sa'yo?
Heart na balloon.
Sige, bilang kita ng heart na balloon.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright, so that was Jolo kasi hindi nga siya nakasama sa amin sa Baler and for almost 2 weeks ko siyang hindi nakikita. Hindi ko alam kung ano update sa kanya. So in-update niya ako kanina kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa kanya and marami na siyang school sa pinupuntahan and I'm glad naumpisahan niya na yung pagka-tryouts niya. Pero habang nag-tryout siya, yun nga, mag-train pa rin siya with us, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. And even makapasok siya, yun yung usapan namin, even sila Christian, even sila Kit. Kahit nakapasok na sila ng school, tuloy-tuloy pa rin training namin. And it should not stop. So si Awi naman tumawag habang si Jolo kausap ko. And Valentine's Day kasi ngayon, nanghihinga siya ng heart na balloon. Alam mo yung babae yun, she only wants small little things na magpapasaya sa kanya. So mamaya pupunta ako siya, bigyan ko siya ng heart na balloon. Hi, Mami!
Oh, bakit?
Wala, na-miss kita.
Ay, nako.
1 week ako wala eh. Love you.
Walang sinabi. Love you.
Mark, ready?
Ready.
Daddy. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, Di.
Love you.
So 1 week ako nawala and growing up, talagang sobrang close ako kay mommy at kay daddy. So talagang sobrang na-miss ko sila. And it's really hard for me to think that time goes by and tumatanda na sila. So I really want to make memories with them habang dito pa sila. And that's just one of the things na talaga wini-wish ko. Longer life for them, a healthy life for them. And yung moment na hopefully umabot pa sila sa time na makikilala sila ni Fino because it's gonna be really fulfilling for me.
Bakit?
Oy Kim! Papunta na kami dyan ha!
Sige.
Pogi! Abnormal! Sumabot kami yan ng Glorieta tapos nandun daw si Kim. Kaya lang may ka-date daw siya mamaya 8 PM. Sabi ko kami na lang i-date niya. So makikita niyo ulit si Kim after so many vlogs na nawala siya. Busy kasi sa school graduating. Alright, so we're here and hindi ko dadalhin yung camera kasi sobrang laki, sobrang bigat, nakakangawit dalhin. And kita na lang ulit tayo mamaya.
Nag-moist. Vlog takeover muna tayo. Di alam ni Coach na kinuha ko yung camera niya. And ako muna mag-vlog. Ako muna makakasama niyo yung araw. Tara, punta ako sa Coach Mab. Coach Mab, pwede ka remin yung camera mo?
Hawak mo na eh.
Ay, hawak ka na ba? Yan, ako muna mag-vlog ngayong araw. Kakain muna.
Dito tayo, Coach.
Saan?
Dito.
Saan Tolan?
Dito.
Glorieta, magingay! Joke lang. Joke lang. Joke lang. Hi. Ano order mo? Fish. Fish. Fish fillet. Yan. Kaya ako yung mag-vlog kasi mag-uusap sila dun sa business ng Mobs kasi kaka-vlog niya, wala na siyang time. Joke. Hindi, kailangan niya kasi mag-seryoso muna tapos mag-focus sila. Di mo na, Coach, diet ka?
Wala mo ng diet ngayon kasi nagkasakit ako ng 1 week. Bawi muna tayo. Tapos, next week, start tayo training ulit. Sumabay ka.
Pieces muna. Baby patis. Joke lang.
Kalamansi din. Kalamansi.
Kalamansi.
Tara, huwag na dito.
Saan?
Ha?
Saan tayo?
Tara na.
Ten. Nakalak. Kaya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, mga oto-oto. Stand, walk. Cancer.
Ano naman tao sa likod?
Walk yan, Coach. Walk.
Hindi tayo sa side.
Cancer.
Mahirap pag si Kim yung nag-vlog, napapagalitan ako.
Ganun talaga. Papakita natin yung mga baho mo. Joke lang. Joke lang. Hindi sana ang laptop, walang baril. What's up? Joke lang. Joke lang. Sir, saan dito yung Glorieta? Doon po. Mga boss, walang alfombra dito. At yung mga tag 30 million. Ay, no, sabihin mo. 300. Pero ano yung size 2? 300. Ayun niya. Maliit yung paa niya ako yun. May size 2.
Fresh kalaya.
Tapos para mabot na 3 years.
Kapal niya, no? Basta kapal niya.
3 years. Kahit panlakad mo mula dito hanggang Bulacan.
Tatlong balik, no? Tatlong balik.
Mas komportable ako sa ito. Nalaki ka pa naman.
Ay, size 6 po ito, sir.
Pwede isang piraso mo na yung bilhin. Kulang pera niya eh.
Isa lang.
Kalahati lang.
Let's go.
Yung maganda yung Chuck Taylor. Ay, ate pala yun. Kala ko binibenta rin eh.
Sumunod
Hindi, ito yung mga ano, yung mga anak na ayaw payagan ng nanay nila na lumabas ng bahay. Tanglong yun.
Magpapapogi na si Kim. Malapit na date mo.
Siyempre, kailangan pogi.
Nawaras.
8.
Rainbow po sa ilong.
Nilalagay ko wax yan. Ipis yan.
Grabe naman pogi nun.
Gusto nyo malaman sekreto ko?
Sige, pakita mo sikreto mo.
Ito lang yan. Pampapogi. Pabango ng mga gwapo. Yan, pogi tayo. Paano ba yan? Andiyan na yung ka-date ko. Let's move. Andiyan na yung ka-date ko. See you.
natin?
Papaalam na ako, boys. See you na lang sa next vlog ko. Abangan nyo ako, gagawa akong channel. What's up? Joke lang. Dito kayo?
Ano? Babay na?
Babay na. May date pa ako eh. 3 pa sila eh. Sasabay-sabayin ko na.
Saan?
Diyan, sa National Bookstore. Mambubulat-lat ng libro.
O, sige na, Kim.
Hey.
Paalam.
Hey, yun.
Kita tayo ulit, ha?
Bye.
Bye!
2 o'clock papasok bukas, kita tayo sa
Okay, sige, bye-bye. Alright, now we're back. Grabe, sobrang saya kasama ni Kim. Sobrang dami niyang kalokohan, sobrang dami niyang kakulitan. And tingin ko pa nag-start mag-vlog yun, which is sasabihin ko naman sa inyo. Pa nag-start mag-vlog yun, ang dami talaga makaka-relate sa mga pinagsasabi ng bata yun. Pero masaya ako. Actually, that was his first time to really vlog nung katulad ng ginawa niya kanina. And natutuwa ako kasi nag-take over siya ng vlog ko. Kasi kung hindi, wala tayong masyadong mangyayari within the day. So, natutuwa ako. Nag-insist siya, nag-vlog siya, and pinakita niya sa inyo yung natural niya. And that's really something na gusto kong mangyari at gawin niya kung talagang gusto niya. Pero yun lang, it's Valentine's Day today, sobrang daming tao sa mall. Nakakapagod maglakad pa ikot-ikot. No, Pat?
Pagod si Daddy Pat.
Pagod. Now, my mission is to find a red heart balloon kasi yun yung gusto ni Awi. Hindi ko lang kung saan hanapin yun, pero alam ko marami sa labas. So, kailangan ko makahanap within few hours kasi pupunta ko na siya mamaya. And those are the small things na magpapasaya sa niya. Guys, I just got home. It was a very long day, pero sobrang saya ko kasi nakapag-vlog si Kim kanina. Actually, that was his first time to vlog. And natutuwa ako. Yung first time niya mag-vlog, dito pa nangyari sa vlog natin. Kasi I really think na talaga mag-excel siya dito. Nakita niyo naman, he was very natural. Yung kalokohan niya, lahat natural, lahat ng kakulitan niya. Hindi niya pinipilit yung sarili niya. And it's really something na talagang gusto ko siya suportahan doon sa bagay na yun. Kung talaga magugustuhan niya lang naman. Pero kapag nag-decide siya na magustuhan niya, I'm all support. I'm gonna give 100% support sa kanya kasi talagang nakikita ko naman yung talent na meron siya and ayoko masayang yun. Pero lang guys, it's Valentine's Day today and doon nga ako sa mall, sobrang daming tao. And nakikita mo yung iba 5 AM, 6 PM lumalabas sa trabaho nila. Yung iba andun pa rin nagtatrabaho. Nag-flashback lang lahat sa akin, lahat ng decisions na ginawa ko 10 years ago. My decisions was, I don't want to work for anyone. I'm gonna be my own boss. I'm gonna wake up anytime I want. I'm gonna sleep anytime I want. I'm gonna eat anything I want. I'm gonna do whatever I want, anytime that I want to do it. And for me, that is success. That is something that I really want to achieve in my life. It's freedom. I don't really care how much money I make. For as long as I have the time to do what I love, feel ko successful talaga ako. I'm not saying na maging ganun kayo. Sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung nangyari sa buhay ko and I want to be able to share it with you. Might help you, hindi ko masabi. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi naman tatanggapin lahat ng advice ng ibang tao, of course. Pero yung iba, of course, might accept the kind of advice na binibigay ko and it might really help you in your lives, in your journey. So, guys, naisip ko lang yun kasi kanina, of course, it's Valentine's Day and madalas pag Valentine's Day, we spend this day with our loved ones. Pero paano mangyayari yun if nandun tayo sa trabaho natin whole day, tapos we only have few hours left? Hindi ko sinasabi na kulang yun or hindi ko sinasabi na mag-resign ka. What I'm just telling you that is kung ano lang yung perspective ko when it comes to life. For me, it's really freedom. It's not about the money. Money comes, money go, but when we have time to make memories with our loved ones, for me, that is success. It's happiness. It's happiness. I can never be happy by waking up 6 a.m., 5 a.m., rushing to my office, and then passing my resume or passing anything that I did kasi deadline na today. And uuwi ako, pag uwi ko, matutulog ako just to prepare for the work again for the next day and papagalitan lang ako ng boss ko the next day. I don't see myself like that. Again, hindi ko sinasabi na mag-resign kayo, hindi ko sinasabi na pangit trabaho nyo. What I'm telling you is that if you're not happy with what you're doing, guys, stop it and try to really find what you love to do in your life. Because if you are 30 years old, it's not yet late. If you're 40 years old, it's not yet late. If you're 50 years old, it's not yet late. What? You're gonna die 70, 80, 90 years old. You still have 20, 30, 40 years left if you're 50 years old. If you're 30 years old, you have 50, 60 years left. What makes you think that it's already late for you? So guys, everything is just based on the decisions that you make in life. So for me, everything that will make you happy, do it. Huwag mo ipagkait sa sarili mo yung happiness na pwede mo makuha just because you want to earn money. Money will come, money will go, but happiness stays forever. Guys, this is Coach Mav. I'm gonna see you again in my next vlogs. Masaya ako dahil kay Kim and bibili pa ako ng red balloon, red heart balloon kasi small things nagpapasaya kay Awi and I don't have enough time left. Kailangan ko maghanap sa labas. Pag wala akong nakita, I'm sorry Awi, pero I'm gonna do my best. Bye guys!